Hello everyone, how you guys are doing? So in this video I am going to show you all the graphite pencils which I am going to use, and I will walk you through some basic exercise which you guys need to practice to learn art and how to draw. So in the first introduction video I have shown you all the art materials which I am going to use, and I'm going to teach you how to use those materials. So in this first lesson I'll be showing you this HB pencils starting from 2H to the 8B. And if you have not seen the first video, please go and see the introduction video. It has all the art materials, papers, sketchbook, pencils, ink pen. I have shown everything which I am going to cover in my coming videos. So let's start this first video with this pencil. So these are Winsor and Newton Studio Collection pencil. I'm not sponsored by any of these. I am just using because I have used them in past and I like it very much. This is one of the best brand as per my knowledge. So there can be some other which you guys prefer, but I'm going to show you these. You can pick up any pencil, any brand you want, but make sure they have all these ranges from lighter shade to darker shade. So let's open this. I don't know how to open. Let's try here. I don't want to cut myself. Okay. Yeah. Found it. And then there we go. Put this aside. And then take this thing out. So it comes with a nice case. Looks good. So this will protect your pencil from breaking in. So let's start with the sketchbook. So this is Arteza acid-free heavyweight paper. Make sure these are 68 lb and 100 grams per meter square, because the paper will be thick enough and it will be very good for pencil sketch. It's not good for watercolor or acrylic, but it will be very good for drawing pencils, especially the graphite and charcoal. So let's start with this pencil. So the first one is 2H. Put this aside, take it out one by one. So the 2H pencil is the lighter shade. That's how dark it will be. You can see it's pretty light, it's not that dark. Now let's move to HB. These are the general pencil. All the pencil which you buy for the general purpose, those are HB pencils. These are pretty standard, and this will be a little bit darker as compared to 2H. You can see, you can hold the pencil little bit lighter. No need to press it really hard, or just hold it naturally and try to keep the grip soft, not too hard. It will help in drawing smoothly. Now let's move to next pencil. This is 2B. It's going to be a little bit darker as compared to the HB pencil. You see, as we are going down, it's getting darker and darker. So if you hold it little gently and softly and just, I'm trying to show you how dark it's getting darker. So now let's move to 4B. So some of the pencil sets come with, starts with HB and then goes to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this set is having a pencil starting from 2H to 8B and there's a gap of 3B. You don't need it actually, but if you are drawing some face or objects, you might need it, but it's not required. So 4B will do the purpose, solve the purpose. So see, it's getting really dark and you will feel it softer as compared to the other pencils like HB or 2B. It's very smooth. See, it's getting dark. Now let's move to 6B. So as I said, some of the pencil set will come with HB and it will end to 6B. So 6B will be enough for shading darker objects, but it's nice to have 8B as well. It's dark enough, so any darker side of the object you can use this pencil. So let's move to 8B, which is the last pencil in this set. 8B is going to be really dark. See how dark it is, and going to show you the, so you will feel it really soft and dark. So these can be used to draw the center of the eyes or the darker portion of any of the drawing. So as you have seen, as we have gone from 2H to 8B, we have seen that it has gone from lighter shade to darker shade. And I'm going to use these 6 pencils in the coming videos to show you how to draw. And if you have not watched my introduction video, there is another sketchbook in which I have done some other sketches like these. So I have used some of these pencils before to draw this, and you can see the shades which I have used the lighter pencil to do that, and the darker outline I have used the darker pencils like 6B. So these are some of the samples of my portrait drawings. So in the coming videos I will show you how to draw, and let's finish up this video, and hopefully you learned something about these pencils and how to use graphite pencils. So you can go ahead and buy the pencil. You can pick any brand you want, but make sure they have the pencils from lighter shade to darker. It can be from HB to 6B or 2H to 8B, whatever you prefer. And make sure when you buy a sketchbook, it should say it's especially for sketching. Not a mix. You can buy a mixed media as well, but this will be a sketchbook because the paper is a bit rough, so it absorbs the pencil real well. Buy any brand you want, I don't care. But I will put the link of this brand in the description. Hope you have learned something from this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I don't care. We do it on. Okay, bye.